the union budget announcement is going to be defense, and here's largely what the street is expecting or what the defense industry budget wish list is. First, defense capital outlay is expected to grow in double digits on a year-on-year basis. New reforms are likely to support the faster execution and programmed rollouts, and more importantly, large defense programs in the pipeline are expected to materialize in FY27. So significant funding for that is also going to be required to be seen in the union budget. If you take a look at what the historic allocation trend has been for the defense space, it's significantly gone up incrementally with a very large or a very sharp jump coming in FY23 compared to FY22. Moreover, if you take a look at the FY26 versus the FY25 figure, there's been an increase of 9.5% on a year-on-year basis. So that was a significant jump as well. Moving away from that, if you take a look at the allocation towards defense as a percentage of the total budget, as of now, it's at 13.45% of the entire budget. These are the latest figures. And this, of course, is the highest among all the ministries. So defense gets the highest allocation in the union budget. If you take a look at the FY26 defense breakup, how the budget allocation was utilized, 26% towards defense services, 46% towards armed forces, 24% towards defense pensions, and 4% towards civil organizations. Going ahead, the focus of the government is likely to be on indigenization, modernization, and promoting defense exports. What analysts are expecting, and this is largely Nuvama's view, wherein they're saying that the defense capex is expected to grow roughly 8% on a year-on-year basis in this union budget. They're also expecting higher allocation towards R&D, UAV, that's unmanned aerial vehicles, drones and anti-drone systems. Incremental budget support is expected in the backdrop of Operation Sindoor that we saw, and spending skew is expected to be towards Air Force and Navy. So that's where defense spending is expected to be skewed this time around. Lastly, how do you view the defense sector in light of the budget expectations? What's important to know is that order books are brimming, and FY27 onwards, the focus of the defense space is going to be on execution rather than racking up more orders. And likely the FY27 defense budget is going to be structurally positive. So this is what the street is largely penciling in when it comes to the union budget, specifically the defense sector.
Now moving